Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add or use Nero bot in your Discord server. So first, just go ahead and invite him in your server and then authorize him for different roles, and then it will automatically go to your Discord server. You'll see here he's on the member list already. Now to use the bot, just type / and you'll see the different commands for Nero. Since it's a music bot, then it's mainly about the songs that you want to play in your server. So here you can see, you can have a look on how to use it as a bot. So just /play, or you can /search for the song you want to play. However, for that to happen, you have to be on the voice channel. So just click on voice channel over there, and then you need to invite him to the voice channel. Here I'm just creating a new channel for Nero bot to join in. So for example, this chill channel, just go to any text channel and then just type on /play, then the name of the song, for example BMF by SZA. Once the song is requested, Nero will automatically join your voice channel and he will play the song. And that's it. Hope this helps.